Hello students, myself Mr. Santosh Pawar welcomes you all in MGC Learning. Under the chapter Control and Coordination, today we are going to see the next endocrine gland, that is pineal gland. So our today's topic is the next endocrine gland, that is pineal gland. Let's see our today's content. We will see the introduction related to the pineal gland. We will see the position of a pineal gland, and we will see the hormone secreted by the pineal gland and the function of that hormone. So our today's content is pineal gland, its introduction, its position, its a hormone and the functions of that hormone. So we start with our first point, that is introduction. Point number 1, pineal gland. It is a small knob-like gland. It is a small knob-like gland. Point number 2, color. It is reddish gray in color. Number 3, shape. It is pine cone shape. Number 4, it is derived or it is formed from the roof of the diencephalon. It is formed or it is derived from the roof of the diencephalon. Diencephalon, it is a part of a forebrain, and the forebrain is a part of a brain. Point number 5, it is sensitive to the biochemical signals of light. So pineal gland is a sensitive to the biochemical signals of light. This is about introduction related to the pineal gland. I repeat the point once again. Number 1, pineal gland is a small knob-like body. It is a small knob-like gland. Number 2, color. It is reddish gray in color. Number 3, shape. It is pine cone shape. Number 4, it is formed from the roof of the diencephalon. It is formed from the roof of the diencephalon. Diencephalon is a part of a forebrain. It is sensitive to the biochemical signals of light. This is about the introduction related to the pineal body. Let's see its position. It is located between the two cerebral hemispheres. So pineal gland is located between the two cerebral hemispheres. Student, cerebral hemisphere are the equal halves of the cerebrum, and the cerebrum is a part of a forebrain, and the forebrain is a part of a brain. So pineal gland is located or it is situated between the two cerebral hemispheres. Cerebral hemisphere are the two lobes or are the two equal halves of the cerebrum, and the cerebrum is a part of a forebrain, and the forebrain is a part of a brain. Further, pineal gland is connected to the diencephalon by means of a stalk. That stalk is known as a pineal stalk. It is connected to the diencephalon by means of a stalk, and that stalk is called as a pineal stalk. This is about the position of a pineal gland. I repeat the points once again. It is located between the two cerebral hemispheres. Cerebral hemisphere are the equal halves of the cerebrum. It is connected to the diencephalon by means of a stalk, and that stalk is called as a pineal stalk. Let's see the hormone of a pineal gland. Pineal gland secretes only one hormone, and the name of that hormone is melatonin. So melatonin is the hormone secreted by the pineal gland. This melatonin is derived from the tryptophan. It is derived from the tryptophan, and tryptophan is an alpha amino acid. It is used in the biosynthesis of proteins. It is used in the biosynthesis of a protein. Further students, this melatonin is also known as a sleep hormone. Further, melatonin is also known as a sleep hormone. This is about the hormone of a pineal gland. Pineal gland secretes only one hormone. Name of this hormone is melatonin. Melatonin is also called as a sleep hormone. Melatonin derived from the tryptophan. Tryptophan is an alpha type of amino acid, and it is used in the biosynthesis of proteins. Let's see the function of melatonin. The first function of melatonin, it plays important role in the regulation of a biological clock. It plays important role in the regulation of a biological clock. What is this biological clock? Biological clock is a mechanism. It is a mechanism that controls the physiological activities of an organism which change on daily, seasonal, yearly or other regular cycle. What is biological clock? It is a mechanism that controls the physiological activities of an organism which change on a daily, seasonal, yearly or other regular cycle. Some example of this: 24-hour diurnal rhythm of our body is the best example of a biological clock. Beside this, other examples are sleep awakening cycle, hormone secretion, blood pressure and even metabolism are also the some example of a biological clock, and it is regulated by the hormone known as a melatonin. I repeat, melatonin plays important role in the regulation of a biological clock. Biological clock means it is a mechanism that controls the physiological activities of an organism which change on daily, seasonal, yearly or other regular cycle. The examples of biological clocks are: number 1, 24-hour diurnal rhythm, sleep awakening cycle, hormone secretion, blood pressure and even metabolism is also the example of a biological clock, and this biological clock is regulated by the melatonin. Number 2, melatonin helps in maintaining the normal rhythm of a sleep-wake cycle. It helps in maintaining the normal rhythm of a sleep-wake cycle. Number 3, melatonin also influences body temperature, metabolism and reproductive cycle. It influences body temperature, metabolism and the reproductive cycle. And the last and the most important function, it inhibits or it stops the ovarian function. It inhibits or it stops the ovarian functions. These are the 4 functions performed by the melatonin. I repeat, function number 2, 3 and 4. It helps in maintaining the normal rhythm of a sleep-wake cycle. Number 3, it influences body temperature, metabolism and reproductive cycles. And number 4, it stops or it inhibits the ovarian functions. So these are the functions performed by the melatonin. Student, in our today's lecture, we have seen the endocrine gland such as a pineal gland. Thank you so much.